today we will do line and angles of chapter number 6 of class 9, subject math, exercise 6.1, question number 1. In figure 6.3, lines AB and CD intersect at O. Lines AB and CD intersect at O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE, addition of these both angles are given 70 degree, and angle BOD is given, this much angle is given 40 degree. Find angle BOE. You have to find angle BOE, you have to find this angle, and reflex of angle COE. Firstly COE, then it's reflex. So these both angles you have to find, angle BOE and angle COE. So firstly you write what is given. What is given, firstly you have to write angle AOC plus angle BOE is given equal to 70 degree, and angle BOD is given 40 degree. Now you have to find angle BOE and reflex of angle COE you want to find. These both things you want to find. Now solution, how to do? Now you know that CD and AB are intersecting line and they are intersecting at O. Therefore this angle and these angles are vertically opposite angles. So angle AOC is equal to angle BOD because they are vertically opposite angles. In short form you can write VOA also. VOA also. Now BOD already you know it is 40 degrees, so angle AOC will come equal to 40 degrees. So AOC came 40 degrees. Now you want BOE. You know that AOC plus BOE is 70 degree. So 40 in place of AOC you will write 40. 40 plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree, which implies that angle BOE is equal to 70 minus 40, that is 30 degrees. So angle BOE came 30 degrees. So one angle BOE is found, it came 30 degree. Now you want reflex of angle COE. So firstly you find angle COE, then you subtract from 360 degree, you will get reflex of angle COE. Now COE plus COA plus angle BOE is 180 degree because they are forming straight line angle. So you can write their sum equal to 180 degree, bracket you can write straight line angles, straight line angles. Now COE you want to find, so you write as it is. COA already it is 40 degree because they are forming vertically opposite angle. Already we found that COA is 40 degree. AOC and COA means same thing, so you can write here 40 degree. EOB and BOE same thing, so it is 30 degree. That implies that angle COE is equal to 40 plus 30 70. So COE is equal to 180 minus 70, that is 110 degree. It is COE. Now you want reflex of angle COE. Reflex of angle COE means whenever reflex word is there you have to subtract by 360. So 360 minus 110 you will get 250 degree. Thank you.